Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Ram 1500 hood liner. First, gather your tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a small pry tool. Make sure your truck's hood is fully open and securely supported. This ensures safety and provides ample access to the liner. Working in a well-lit environment will help you clearly see all the fasteners and avoid damaging any components during the removal process. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's focus on the fasteners. Your Ram 1500 hood liner is typically held in place by several plastic pushpin fasteners. Take your trim removal tool and gently insert it under the head of the center pin of each fastener. Carefully pry up the center pin until it pops out slightly. Once the center pin is released, you can then remove the entire fastener by prying up the base. Be patient and work slowly to avoid breaking these plastic components. With all the fasteners removed, the next step is to carefully detach the hood liner. Before you pull, do a quick visual check to ensure no fasteners were missed. Starting from one corner or edge, gently pull the liner away from the hood. It should come off easily without much resistance. If you feel any snagging, stop and recheck for any remaining pins. Once free, carefully set the liner aside in a safe place, especially if you intend to reinstall it or replace it with a new one. When you're ready to reinstall the hood liner, simply reverse the steps. Align the liner carefully with the holes in the hood. Insert the outer part of each pushpin fastener into its corresponding hole, then push the center pin in to secure it. Make sure all fasteners are firmly seated to prevent rattling. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle in top shape and staying hydrated are both important for any project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.